Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Code It Simple. In this tutorial, I'll show how to make rotating 3D cube animation using HTML and CSS. I hope you guys will like it. Okay, now let's open VS Code and code it together. Okay, now create new file and save it as your file name.html extension. Here you can see 3d.html file has been created. Okay, now first of all let's write HTML structure. You can see your title has been changed to 3D Cube. This container div with the class cube container is to hold our cube, and inside it we have another div with the class cube which represents the cube itself. You can see here, this cube contains 6 side divs for each face: front, back, left, right, top and bottom. And each of these divs represents a face of the cube, and its position absolutely within the cube. Alright, now let's jump into the styling part, where the magic happens. First, we set up the general style for the body to center the cube on the screen. Here we have used flex box for easy centering. You can see here, color has been slightly changed. Here the dot cube container has a perspective property, which gives the 3D effect. This allows us to see depth as a cube rotates. Without perspective, it would just look like a flat object rotating in space. Here, inside the dot cube class, we apply transform style called preserve 3D. This makes sure that all the child elements, that is the face cube faces, are rendered in 3D space. Okay, now it's time to make the side part of the cube. You can see here, the side part of the cube has been created with blue color. Okay, now it's time to make front part of the cube. Let's do it. Here we can see the front part of the cube also has been created with red color. Okay guys, now let's do same for back part of the cube. Here we can see the back of the cube because it's hidden by the front part of the cube. Now I'll quickly write the code for the left, right, top and bottom views since we can only see the front view. So after that, I'll explain what I did. Sure, now let me explain. Each face of the cube is sized 200 pixel by 200 pixel and position 100 pixel away from the center using Translate Z for a 3D effect. Also, different colors and borders are added to make each face look visually appealing. And there might be one question. How do we see the other parts of the cube? And the answer is simple. By using animation. Okay, now let's jump into the fun part, animation. We use @keyframes rule to animate the rotation. The cube rotates on both the X and Y axis, which makes it spin around its center. The animation lasts 5 seconds and loops infinitely with a smooth linear effect. Hey guys, ready for the result? As you can see, this is the final result. Guys, the cube rotates endlessly, giving you that cool 3D spinning effect. You can even modify the speed of the rotation by changing the timing in the animation. If you want to change the things up, you can play around with cube size, colors, or even add some extra animation effects. For example, you can add slight delay or make the cube spin in a different direction. And that's it guys. I think you have learned how to create a 3D rotating cube with just HTML and CSS. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And also turn on notification for more web design and development tips.